I very much think this is a huge bubble, because what's being sold here is essentially database entries saying some artwork is yours. The problem is just that it really isn't yours in any legal, reliable sense. So the database entry just says it's yours, and it's yours in the same way that, I don't know, the Black King is yours in an online game of chess.
Look, I feel like I've led the witness somewhat, taking you down a road here. Let's look at the other side of the argument. I realise I'm of a generation that's probably grappling with this intellectually. Is there an argument for saying that this is part of a new industry that actually offers an opportunity to own real estate in cyberspace that will have value for generations coming forward now?
So I think it's extremely unlikely that this is what we're seeing. In a way, what is happening here is kind of like a cargo cult version of the traditional art market. So you can refer to it as digital real estate, but the real estate, the total supply here really is unlimited. So what you're buying is just somebody saying that something is yours without typically getting any rights. Although we do have to kind of distinguish the different types of NFTs that are out there. And not all of them are of the, in my view, kind of cargo cult bubble type. There are, King of Leon have announced that they would release their new album as an NFT, and others have done similar things. So in this context, what is really happening there is that people just use this technology to do something that we have been doing for decades. They just sell access tokens. Similar to somebody selling a wristband or something like that as a backstage pass. There's nothing too exciting there. If I were to tell you that my new backstage access pass for a concert is now made of lead or copper or something like that, people probably wouldn't get too excited about this, but some people might actually like it, and then it does have some value. But this is not the core of what is happening here. The core of what is happening here is that people claim that we can sell artwork on the blockchain, even though these artworks are digital in nature. And the problem or feature of any digital asset is, just like with information more generally, that you can copy it, and the person who has a copy has the exact same type of enjoyment, have the same asset as the person with the original. So it's just not meaningful to talk about ownership here.